Hi folks, we're heading home from our amazing trip across Europe and Norway cruise. I wanted to show you today a little bit about the Vortex Rain Waterfall in the Jewel Shopping Centre in Singapore. Now, to visit this waterfall you need a layover of more than 4 hours. You can't go out through immigration unless you're staying in Singapore longer than 4 hours. So you will have to go through immigration to get to the waterfall. It's very simple to get through immigration in Singapore. It's basically to fill out an incoming passenger card. You can do that on the way out through customs. It's quite quick, and if you're traveling through to another destination, you don't have any luggage, so it's straight through just with your passport. The Jewel Shopping Centre is connected to Terminal 1. You can exit from Terminal 2 and Terminal 3 via the airport trains that take you to your different terminals. We're just heading into the Rain Vortex now. It is the tallest indoor waterfall in the world. The entrance to Shiseido Forest Valley. It is a beautiful, cool respite when you're traveling, to sit down in the gardens here and have a rest. It's very beautiful. When we came into Singapore last year, we stayed in the River Quay area. It's approximately 20 minutes drive from the airport to the city. It's a fantastic destination to stay in that area. It's within a kilometre or so from all of the main attractions in the city. You can go up and access different levels of the grandstands and the garden walks around the waterfall. You have to go up different sides though. You can walk across the top, but to get to these areas you have to go up and down to get to the other side, as the majority of them are not connected. Changi International Airport is a premier airport in Singapore. There is more than 100 different airlines that operate flights out from Changi. There are elevators which will take you up some of the levels on the gardens around the vortex. There's also a separate area that take you up to the roof. You can see the train line and the Canopy walk on the far side in the roof. There is a train that actually comes through beside this rain vortex here. You can access the dual shopping centre and the Rain Vortex from 3 out of the 4 terminals, from Terminal 1, 2 and 3. You cannot access it from Terminal 4, and there's also a new Terminal 5 being under construction. I'm just walking around the other side now, going up to the Canopy Park and the Sky Bridge. It's free access to this area, but you will have to pay extra to go to the Canopy Park and the Canopy Walk. That's going past the link bridge to take you back to Terminal 2. I went up to the Sky Park by the escalators, but there is an elevator that you can come up and down near these escalators as well. The Sky Park was very busy when we were here. As I said, you'll need to pay, as you'll see shortly, to go out onto the Canopy Bridge and Canopy Park. If you are on a budget like us, we did not pay to go onto the bridge here, also into the main garden area, but you can see most of it from up here without paying. This is the entrance to the Skywalk, which is the real name, which is the Canopy Bridge. Changi Airport is voted #1 cleanest airport in the world with the friendliest staff. It's the 4th busiest airport in the world, and it is voted #2 for the best airport. It has a #1 hotel, the Crown Plaza, voted #1 for 7 years running, before and after COVID. This display after you come out of Jewel here is just magnificent. In Terminal 2 there is a waterfall which is 14 meters high, is digital, and it's called Wonderfall. Please check out our other vlogs for more travel information. In Singapore last year we have a vlog on the Gardens by the Bay and the Marina Sands, so please check that out. We'll be back in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia for our next vlog. It's not so sunny at the moment. We're in the middle of Cyclone Alfred. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the information we bring you in our informative travel vlogs, as we enjoy doing them also, and it keeps our channel growing. Thank you so much for your support, and please check out all our other vlogs for different destinations around the world. If you're traveling to those destinations, I'm sure there's some information in there that will help you with your travel plans. Just beautiful. It is such an amazing airport. It's incredible. Well, that's it for our 4-hour layover in Singapore at the Jewel. We're heading back to our terminal now to fly to Brisbane. Our next vlog will be out of Brisbane again. It will be more on the South Bank and the city centre around Riverside, which is an absolutely amazing area. So we look forward to bringing you those vlogs, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you from our wonderful sunny Brisbane, Australia.